Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how if you want to add pledge classes to the site, just kind of as a name database and showing pledge classes, etc. Where we do that in the chapter information and our brothers. Other brothers are just going to show basically pledge classes that go in the past. Okay. The latest one will show first on top. Alright, and what this is going to do is going to paginate. What I mean by paginate is after every 5 pledge classes, it's going to show another page. Okay, so if I want to go to page 2, we only have 6 pledge classes assigned right there, and when we add more, then they'll start filling through. Okay. In order to add a pledge class, what we're going to do is go to the back end. So let's get rid of these here. And I'm going to open up a new tab to bring up the back end. On the left hand side, you notice that we have a section for pledge classes. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, and then you notice that they're already kind of nicely ordered. If we click on one, they're very simple. All we do is we make sure that the pledge class is named appropriately, the semester and the year, and we're just going to paste in a list of the names. All right. Now make sure that when you copy and paste this, if you have it in a Word document, that you paste it into this here, paste from Word, and then paste it in. We don't want any extra bold, italicized, nothing. Okay. We just want to make sure that these are just names. A good way. What I would do is when you add names here for the first time, I would open up just a basic text editor and add the names within there. Okay, so say this is our text editor here. So you know name 1, name 2, name 3, etc. And what we do is we take these. Okay, and let's add a new pledge class. So we would take these 3 names, and then we would just paste it in like that. Okay, this is plain text. Now here's the issue, is that if you try to edit it within the editor here, and you just hit backspace for each, you can't put them right underneath each other. How about the typos there? We can see how that works. We don't want the spaces here, and that's why this visual editor is a little bit of a pain sometimes. So instead, it's a better idea to open up a text editor, add the names here, alright, copy them, and paste it in. And then don't do editing within in here. We want the names to be all aligned to the left, all right after each other, no spacing, and then publish it. Okay. And then when we do that, don't worry, I'll delete this one. We're going to go back to our brothers page. And it should just post right on top of each other. Now the names are going to go across, and they're going to create 5 columns. Okay, so if it's a huge pledge class, then you're going to have a longer 5 columns. Okay, and you see that the next pledge class will be pushed onto the next page. Okay, again, the most important thing here is that make sure you paste the names from a basic text editor, whether you're in Apple or Windows. And make sure there's no spaces in between the names. Now if you wanted to add a picture for a pledge class, you could do that. I remember when I was in the fraternity, we would take pictures of the pledge classes. On each page, or where you're editing or adding a new pledge class, and after you add the names, what you can do is you can set a featured image for that. Alright, so let's say let's set a featured image for this one. And I'm just going to pick that banner that we have of the entire Brotherhood there. Set featured image, update it. Let's go back to, we don't want to view the pledge class because that just brings that one pledge class up. Instead, what we want to see is all of the pledge classes. So we're going to go to chapter information and our brothers, and it's going to show all the entries that we have. Okay. And if you want, there you go. It shows a nice picture of the pledge class if you want to add that.